How's it going, everyone? I'm Mike and welcome back on Top Crypto, and today we are going to talk about Tribal Credit. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's start. Tribal Credit, a corporate card built for startups. It is a modern financial tool specially designed for startups. With easy access to corporate cards and advanced spend controls, you can focus on growing your business no matter where you're starting up or what stage you're in. As a founder, you need to focus on going to business. Bank is the last thing that should hold you back, but traditional banks don't understand startups. That's why we built Tribal, a set of modern financial tools designed just for startups, like corporate cards. And because we're founded by serial entrepreneurs, we understand what you need at every stage. It all starts with our easy online application. You can sign up in minutes, and our AI-driven approval process speeds up the time to reach our credit decision. We'll never ask for personal guarantees or credit history. Once approved, you can instantly issue virtual cards for your team. For added security, you can set spend limits on physical or virtual card and freeze any card in one click. Tribal cards can be used around the world wherever Visa is accepted. Access your online dashboard from anywhere to keep up with your company's expenses in real time. Do all of this and more, with no cost to sign up and with zero interest. Join the tribe, and let us power your startup growth. The Tribal story. The startup economy is booming in emerging markets, but the banking infrastructure that should support it is broken. A huge gap exists between the financial services offered and what startups really need. We're here to bridge that gap. From struggling to open bank accounts to obtaining business credit cards and making cross-border payments, we understand the financial pain startups are dealing with. All existing traditional banking processes, interfaces, and underwriting methods don't meet your needs. That's where our fintech solution comes in. Tribal Credit was featured in TechCrunch, Card Rates, Stellar, Business Insider, Entrepreneur, on CB Insights, Yahoo Finance, and also Forbes. Skip the paperwork. Our online application can be done right from your laptop, and we won't ask for excess documentation. No credit history. We don't require personal or company credit history, and will never ask for personal guarantees to get started. Fast approvals. Our AI-driven underwriting process speeds up the time to reach an approval decision. Instant access to cards. Once approved, you can instantly issue ready-to-use virtual cards for your whole team. Access to powerful spend management tools. Get full control over your company finances and real-time transparency, all in a clean, modern, easy-to-use interface. Full visibility in real time. No more waiting until the end of the month. Follow your team's spending as it happens and get an accurate and up-to-the-minute spend overview all in one place. Empower your team while keeping control. Invite your whole team and set custom spend limits for each user, so they can spend on the things they need while easily sticking to budgets. Categorize every expense. Monitor where money is going with automatic expense classification. Let Tribal do it for you with our built-in categories, or use custom labels for your own classification. One-click controls. Change limits or freeze cards in real time, and unlock in one click when you're ready to use them again. Instantly deactivate user accounts when someone leaves the company. Uncover spending insights. With our flexible and intuitive reporting tools, you can visualize company spending patterns on an individual, department, or company level and easily spot savings opportunities. Worldwide access. Tribal cards are accepted worldwide, and you can manage your expenses from anywhere with your online dashboard. Complete control. Set and adjust individual spend limits for your whole team, and get real-time visibility to every transaction. Built-in security. Freeze and unfreeze cards in one click, and dynamically set card limits to block any overspend or hidden charges. A better way to pay and control business expenses. Because we're founded and led by serial entrepreneurs, we understand what startups need most. Tribal saves you from the hassle of dealing with traditional banks, and gives you total control over your business expenses anytime, anywhere. To get started, you must log in or register to Tribal Credit with your complete name and birth, or if you already have an account, just click the sign in button and see what you can do on Tribal Credit. What can you do on Tribal? This is where an easier way to do business with the world, say goodbye to declined transactions, costly foreign exchange fees and unfavorable currency conversion rates. And also a smarter alternative to banks for all your overseas payments. With Tribal, you'll save time and money on business transactions around the world. Whether you're paying foreign merchants and suppliers, getting funded in multiple currencies, or moving money across borders, we help you make smooth international payments with ease, without incurring all the fees. See what Tribal can do for you. Multiple currencies. Tribal cards can be created in USD or your local currency. Simply select your preferred option when adding a new card. Real exchange rate. We give you the real FX rate in all major currencies. Tribal credit card, 0 interest, Visa credit card, virtual credit card. No foreign transaction fees, avoid getting hit with expensive fees for overseas payments. Our FX markup is 0%. Worldwide acceptance. Tribal cards can be used all over the world wherever Visa is accepted. Our team. Tribal is being built by a diverse and talented team that brings experience from some of the world's top tech companies and financial institutions. We have Silicon Valley Bank, JP Morgan Chase Incorporation, HSBC, U.S. Security Exchange Commission, Marqeta, Facebook, Airbnb, Apple, IBM, HP, Experian, WeWork, Indeed, and lastly Refinitiv. Tribal is led by serial entrepreneurs, data scientists, and fintech execs who have built and led startups in both emerging markets and Silicon Valley. Amar Shady is CEO of Tribal Credit, where he spearheads a mission to help bring financial inclusion to startups in emerging markets. From ideation to fundraising, product development to operations, investor to board relations, Amar leads the overall execution of Tribal's strategy and vision. Dwayne Good is president of Tribal Credit, where he drives strategic banking and financial partnerships across geographies, all while leading the company towards fulfilling its goals and strategies. An expert in applied analytics, Dwayne heads the company's credit management and underwriting efforts. Omar Kamal is chief data scientist at Tribal Credit, where he builds data science products and mines for insights that optimize business operations using machine learning and AI. Omar has more than 20 years of experience working at Mentor Graphics, IBM, Lucent Technologies and HP in software engineering, quality management and operations management. Mohammed El-Kastawi is Chief Strategy Officer of Tribal Credit, where he leads the blockchain vision, strategy, and execution. From forming strategic partnerships with blockchain firms to building Tribal's blockchain infrastructure, Mohammed focuses on harnessing the technology to give startups in emerging markets greater access to financial services. Mark Graves is Chief Legal Officer of Tribal Credit, where he leads the global legal, compliance, governance, regulatory relations, and data protection and privacy compliance functions. Mark has a wealth of experience leading global expansion of financial institutions and is putting that expertise to good use at Tribal. Ihab Zaglal is Chief Research Scientist of Tribal Credit, where he leads the research, design, and implementation of the blockchain ecosystem and TRBL token. Ihab has extensive blockchain expertise, having earned his PhD in applied cryptography and cybersecurity from Michigan State University. His research focuses on blockchain-based systems, which entails designing and implementing distributed data sharing and electronic voting algorithms. Extended teams: Yusri Helmi, the investor and advisor; Jessica Strauss, advisor; Roy Lawrence, PhD, advisor; Lou Kerner, also advisor; Nick Milanovic, advisor. Our investors. We're proud to be backed by QED Investors, Beko Capital, PFG Global Ventures, Stellar Development Foundation, and Endure. Now let's see the Tribal's Twitter page. Let's see some of their latest posts. We are super excited about what our partnership with Visa will bring to our customers. You can read further about our partnership here. Tribal joined Twitter back on July 2019 and currently has 8,674 followers. And that's all for Tribal Credit. Come visit our channel, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on top crypto. Thank you for watching.